Hi guys, I'm Madeline here at Lakeside Table, and if you like amazing food without a ton of work, then you definitely want to hit that subscribe button because that's what we do here. And today we are making fettuccine carbonara. You are going to love this pasta dish because not only is it smooth, creamy, and packed with bacony goodness, but it is super easy and you can make it in about 15 minutes. If you have cooked with me before, you know what's next. Time to get out your ingredients. So go ahead and get out your mise en place. Definitely do not want to miss this step because it will save you time and tons of frustration. And you can see carbonara does not call for that many ingredients. I mean, we literally have 9 ingredients here. And you really want to get everything out because this dish comes together so fast. All right, so you can see over here, we've got a pot of boiling water, nice and salted. You wanna make it salty like to see. And then over here, we've got our bacon going. And we're gonna go ahead and just push this to the side. You want your bacon to be cooked through, be a little crispy, little soft, any way you like it. And then you're gonna add your shallots and your garlic. Give this a good stir, let this all come together. Next, turn the heat down low and whisk in the cream, Parmesan cheese, and 2 egg yolks. We're gonna keep this on very low heat to make sure those yolks are cooked but not scrambled while we get the pasta going. I am gonna use a fresh fettuccine from the refrigerated aisle. And it takes about 3 or 4 minutes to boil up. So you can use a box pasta, but I highly recommend it the refrigerated pasta. And you want this a little al dente. So instead of letting it go for the full 4 or 5 minutes, we're gonna pull this out in about 3 minutes. And the reason why we're gonna do that is because we're gonna put it directly into our sauce. Now, if you wanna make your pasta ahead of time, you can bring it all the way to the firmness that you want and then run it under cold water to shock it, stop it from cooking, and then it'll be ready when you are. Another good trick that will keep your pasta from sticking is to stir it as soon as it goes into the pot and then give it a little swirl every so often while it's cooking. Okay. I think our pasta is ready to get sauced up. So we are going to just take it directly from the pot right into our carbonara sauce. And if a little bit or a fair amount of the pasta water gets into our sauce, that is quite all right because that is going to help our sauce loosen up and get really happy. And this is, you can kind of see how the sauce, before the pasta went in, it was a little thick, and now with this pasta water, oh my God, it's liquid gold. Dinner is ready. Literally like 15 minutes or less. And let's go ahead and taste it. The bacon is so smoky and it's creamy and rich. You are gonna love this. I can't wait for you to make it. Now, if you wanna make it keto friendly or low carb, you can use the same technique and the same sauce with zucchini noodles or a low carb noodle, your choice. Now, before we take off, I want to give you one last little bonus tip. Come here and take a look at this pasta. It's been sitting here for just a few minutes. You can see how it's starting to get a little dry. It's not quite as luscious and creamy. So what we're going to do is we're going to take a little bit of this pasta water and we're going to add it right over it, maybe 2 scoops here. This is a wonderful way to kind of bring your pasta sauce back to life. And you can see how it just moistens everything up. The starch from the pasta water helps keep it thick. It's still a little salted, so it brings in another layer of flavor. Oh, so good. So thanks again for hanging out with me here at Lakeside Table. Make sure to hit that subscribe button and hang out for some more videos, and I will see you soon. And I will be eating all of this pasta carbonara because my husband went gluten-free. Bye, guys.